the hole, and this cord will just slip in there all the way, like so, and crimp. Welcome back, folks. This is Joe with Steel Blade Woodworks, and today it's going to be kind of a little weird video, but making some network cables today. To start off with, I ordered, comes in a box like this from Amazon, and it's a kit, and it is actually called a pass-through RJ45 crimping toolkit. And what you're going to get in this box is one of the cool things. I think that kit was around the $35 range, maybe a little cheaper, but I'll try to put a description below of and a link. So what you get here is you're going to get a tester. This allows you, once you make your cords, you plug in, takes a 9-volt battery, and this comes apart. And if you have both ends, you can just leave it together, but this is made to go at the far end, and you plug the other end into here, plug the other end of the cord into that, and what this does is it's going to go through and it's going to test your cords to make sure that the wiring is identical on both ends, so there's not a problem. So this is like a must-have if you're going to make stuff like this. So it comes with this. It's going to come with a crimping tool, and this crimping tool actually has a blade on the other side, and I'll show you here on the video. But you're going to come with instructions, kind of like a little cheat sheet to show you what to do and how to use it. This is a little wire stripping device to strip the outer plastic off the networking cable, and it brings two little bags, one with the cover and the other with the pass-through ends. I ordered a bigger bag. Hopefully it'll focus in. And these are extra pass-through cords because I'm ends, and then I ordered another bag of multicolor covers, protectors. So this is fairly simple process. You can make these real quick, and basically what you're going to do is you're going to get your Cat 5, Cat 6, whatever you plan to use. You're going to get this little cutter, and basically you're just going to lift up a little bit, enter your cord, and it'll do, if you can see, multiple different sizes. Let me try to get my finger out of here. Multiple different sizes, but this fits in here, and basically you're just going to simply turn it once, boom, done. Just kind of twist it and it comes off. And just grab this piece here and you can just give it a tug and it'll come out. Okay, so what you want to do next is you're just going to split your wires up like so and go ahead and unwind them. And you can't get them mixed up because you have in this Cat 6 you have 4 pairs, a tip and ring on each one. That's how it's done. And you're going to have a white browns in order. They go white, blue, white, orange, white, green, and white, brown. Go ahead and get these. These are really twisted up. You got to get these apart. Make sure you get them all unwound all the way to the bottom, and just go ahead and pull on it and straighten out, because they'll have that wrapping, and just get them straight, put it aside, and go on to the next one. Same thing for all 4 pairs. All right, once you get them all out and straightened out, then my suggestion is go ahead and get some wire cutters, some little wire side cutters like so, and just cut a little bit off to make it smooth so it doesn't get caught in that connector when you're sliding it through. So when done, they'll be kind of like so. Okay, so you'll have your cheat sheet to go by, and excuse me, and the order that you want to put these in. There's cheat sheets online. It has one on there, and you're basically going to go with, you're going to take the white orange, and it's going to go first. Then I'm looking at one, I should know this, but then you're going to take the orange, and it goes right next to the white orange. So it's white orange, orange, and then you're going to go white green. And just kind of, you'll see how they're like twisted in here. Just try to straighten them up so it makes it a little easier. So there we go. We're going to get that next in line. And then you're going to go with the one that's solid blue. Comes up. Get it right next there. And just kind of hold pressure with your other thumb. And then we're going to go with the white blue right next to the blue. And just start forming them straight. And then the next one's going to be the green. The solid green. Like so. And then you're going to go with the white brown next, like so, and with the brown. And there makes your cord or your end ready in order, and just kind of flatten it out, make it nice and neat. And then you're going to grab your cord. Now this is important. So this cord or this end here, hopefully it'll focus on it. There you go. Okay, you see that? It needs to be like this. When it's like this, pin number 1 is on this side, and that's how you're aligning these. Okay, so when you go and put these in, these got to be correctly aligned. And just grab a hold of this and kind of get them in order like you had them, and leave enough to where your fingers don't get in the way. And you're going to slip this in into the cord, and they will come out. Grab them once you got it through here, and just kind of help bring this down, and you slide this in as far as you can, just like so. Okay, just like so. And you can see, hopefully the camera will, how far it's in there, and you have it. Now in this orientation, make sure that you start, this is pin 1 over here. So we got white orange, orange, white green, blue, and then we have white blue, then green, and white brown brown. So this is a pretty neat little tool here. So let me explain what you got here. So right here is a round wire stripper, kind of like this. Then you're going to have a flat wire stripper. So, and these can all be adjusted. That's adjustable. So if you have flat wire, you can strip it. And then the slot below is just straight up cable cutter. And then here you have 2 slots, one for RJ45 and the other is for the regular phone cords, the smaller ones. I forgot what those are, but anyhow. So this is a side you'll insert your connector, and on the other side, as you can see, it's got cutters. You're just going to grab these wires and get them through the hole, and this cord will just slip in there all the way like so, and crimp, and voila, and there you go, your end is made. Simple, don't have to worry. And then you're just going to bring in your cable, your connector cover. Just bring it in, slide it over, push this little tab down, and there you go, a professional made end networking cable. Alright guys, so once we get it both ends done, you're going to grab your tester here, you're going to turn it on, and go ahead and just plug one end into the master one. It doesn't matter. And then go ahead and plug this in into this one, and it's going to go right on down the line. As long as they all are side by side as it's going and they're green, boom. This is a good test. So another thing what this does, what I was trying to explain, if you don't have both ends in your hand, usually when they're ran in a building during conduit, you would take this into the far end and go put it there, and it's going to tell you on this end. So if you do like what I put on here today, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave some comments below, and we can try to answer anything you have. And if you don't like it, give us a thumbs down. But anyhow, y'all have a good day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.